What if I told you you can use these top paid and most demanding top AI tools completely free? Sounds crazy, right? Right now, most of these websites charge you hefty subscription fees. But in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use them without paying a single penny. Now, many of you are probably thinking, maybe I'm lying, but I'm not. Because today, I've discovered a secret testing platform and I'm going to share it with you. And here's the best part. I'll also reveal one more similar tool at the end of this video, so make sure you stay until the end. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this platform and why is it so powerful? Well, this is the place where the biggest AI models launch first for testing. Developers release them here, collect feedback, and then decide whether to publish or improve the model further. And in this video, I'll show you which website it is, how you can use it, and most importantly, how to run text-to-video with it. That part can be a little tricky for beginners, and sometimes the model you're looking for isn't easy to find. So follow every single step as I do, and you'll be able to unlock it. So let's go to the website. The website is lmarena. You have to search in Google lmarena.ai and you will be landed onto this page. Click on the first result and you will arrive on the main dashboard of lmarena. Here you can see the top latest AI models all available in one place. They are usually launched here first, which makes it good for testing. You can find the best AI models for your needs, compare answers across top AIs, share your feedback, and even power lmarena's public leaderboard. Now let's go to the leaderboard. Here you can see rankings for text, web development, vision, text-to-image, image editing, search, and many other purposes. You'll find the positions of different models in each category. If you look at the top menu, you'll also notice two main features, better side-by-side and direct chat. Let's start with the bottom one, direct chat. So what's that? Direct chat is for chatting with text models. When you go there, you'll see a list of different models like Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Sonnet, GPT-5 High, Qwen, GLM, GPT-5 Chat, Grok, and many more top-tier AI models. Let's get started with GPT-5 High. We'll enter a prompt here. For example, write a short engaging video script about lmarena. Start with a hook like, which AI is the smartest? Then explain that lmarena lets you test and compare different AI models in a head-to-head battle with blind voting and live leaderboards. Keep the tone fun, clear, and motivating, and end with a simple call to action. Try lmarena and pick your winner. After entering this prompt, we click on the Generate button, and the AI starts generating results using GPT-5 High. In the new update, you can now choose between different models here, and the benefit is that you get to try options like ChatGPT without paying any cost. Once the result is ready, you can see the script has been generated and scroll through it. Now let's check out a different model. This time we'll use Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview. We'll enter the same prompt, click the Generate button, and let the AI create a result. As you can see, the response is ready, and you can now compare the outputs of Gemini and ChatGPT side by side, just like that. What makes this feature really useful is that you don't just read the answers, you actually get to experience the difference in style, clarity, and depth between models. Some might give you very creative and detailed answers, while others keep it short and direct. By placing them next to each other, lmarena helps you quickly figure out which AI matches your needs best, whether it's for content creation, coding, research, or even just casual conversation. Let's now go to the image creation option. For this, we will use the side-by-side feature, so we can directly compare the results of two different models. First, we need to do one important step. You have to click on the Generate Image option before selecting the models. Once that is done, we can go to the Select Model section. Here, we'll choose Nano Banana as the first model and Seedream 4 as the second model, so we can check the results of these two top-tier models in image generation. Now, let's enter our first prompt. A young man stands on a quiet autumn road, leaning against a sleek black Lamborghini. Golden leaves fall around him as the wind blows, his coat fluttering slightly. The atmosphere feels cinematic, like the beginning of an adventure. Once the prompt is ready, we click on the Generate button, and both models begin creating images simultaneously. As you can see, Nano Banana generates its image first. Its speed is impressive. But the leaves don't follow proper physics. They look oddly shaped and not very realistic. On the other hand, Seedream 4 delivers a more polished and realistic result, with natural-looking leaves, detailed reflections on the car, and an overall cinematic vibe. In this case, I would select Seedream 4 High-Res as the better result. Now, let's try a second prompt and test the models again. Once more, Nano Banana finishes its image first, much faster than Seedream 4, which takes over 30 seconds to generate. This time, Nano Banana has done a great job. The character and the camel beside it look very realistic, and the shadow casting is accurate. Seedream 4, however, falls a bit short. While the image is good, the character and the camel are not aligned in the correct direction, which breaks the realism. So in this round, I think Nano Banana has delivered the better result. With that comparison done, let's move on to the main part of the video generation feature, which many of you have been waiting for. To use this, you first need to go to LMArena and click on the Join Discord option. If you don't already have a Discord account, you'll need to create one. If you do, simply click on Accept Invite and join the official LMArena Discord server. You might be asked a few onboarding questions, but you can skip those if you want. Once completed, you'll be inside the official Discord server of LMArena. Here, I'll show you how to create videos and even images if you prefer. You'll see different channels called Video Arena 1, 2 or 3. You can select any of them. Inside the channel, type a slash command in the chat. When you type the slash symbol, several options will appear. Select video since we are generating a video. After selecting it, you can write your prompt. For example, here's a simple one, a cinematic desert gen. You can pause the video if you want to take a closer look at this prompt. Once it's ready, press enter and the AI will start generating your video. The process takes some time, sometimes up to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can do other tasks. Once the video is ready, you'll get a notification. From there, click on View Video to watch the result. LMArena usually generates with two different models, giving you two versions of the video. In this example, the first generation looks good, but the second one is really impressive. It not only creates a realistic video, but also includes sound effects, making the result feel cinematic and alive. So this was our video about LMArena, covering everything from chat models to image generation and even video creation. But before we wrap up, I want to share one more tool with you. It's called Yup.ai, and just like LMArena, it lets you use many paid AI models completely free. I have made a separate video about that, so make sure to check it out if you're interested. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the best free AI tools.